Hello, thanks for visiting this channel, and you might be wondering what it's all about. My name's Liz Chaderton. I'm a watercolour artist based in Berkshire. I am passionate about watercolours, so each week I share tips and tricks that I wish I'd known about ages ago. The channel is just about to hit its 50,000th subscriber, which I find amazing because in the end I am a middle-aged woman sitting in a shed, which is my studio, at the bottom of the garden, talking to myself about watercolour. So thank you for being on this journey with me. I particularly love painting animals and birds. So from traditional, something like this, pure watercolour on paper, to less traditional, maybe something like this, which is line and wash. So it's watercolour and pen, but it's on wood that I've prepared with modelling paste, so it's got texture, and then it's waxed so it's not displayed under glass. You'll also find lots of journaling ideas on this channel, and I've really fallen in love with watercolour mixed media in a journaling sort of way. I love sketching when I travel, and you will find how to make concertina sketchbooks and how to sketch while you're on the move. I enjoy urban sketching at home, travel sketching when I'm on the move. I really love finding new art materials that perform in special ways, or that are particularly cost effective, or I just haven't come across before, and I'll try and share those as well. You might be thinking, why on earth do I do this? And it's because I love watercolour so much. I want you to love it as much as me. So if you've got any questions or need any help, feel free to email me with ideas for films, and I will try and help. I do try and answer every comment. So how can you help me in return? It's brilliant if you subscribe, but it's even better if you watch the films, if you like them, if you comment on them, because that tells YouTube that they're actually interesting, and then they show them to other people. If you share it with your friends, that's fantastic. If you need more in-depth, or if you're looking for more in-depth training, got pre-recorded workshops available on lizchadertonstudio.co.uk. I've also written 5 books. This is just to prove it. My latest one is all about portraits. I've done one on line and wash because I do love that as a technique. Animals and birds, I think I mentioned those. And then that was the very first one I did, which was watercolour on canvas. And in fact, I've run a Facebook group all about watercolour on canvas, so you'd be welcome to join that as well. And I run another group, which is kind of more of a relaxed get together, talk about watercolour type group, where you can ask for help or share your latest painting. And again, I'll put a link to that in the description. So that's this channel. I hope you enjoy it here. I hope you find what you're looking for. I do a new film each week, so do keep coming on back.